guys, in this video I want to share with you everything to know before ordering this iRobot Roomba self-directive vacuum cleaner. So you guys have probably seen and heard of this by now, but if you don't know, this thing has bumpered plates all around it to protect from hitting furniture. It's got sensors all around, and basically it'll weave. I'm going to show you in this video how it actually works, like how amazing it is. It'll weave through, around, underneath, everything you can think of. It has a charging port that you basically just, place it on, and then you can also control it from your smartphone app to tell it to go back. But you just plug the charging port in, it'll charge it all the time, and then you turn it on, and then you just press it one more time to get it going, and I'm going to show you guys how cool this is, so check this out. It's basically just going to go, and you don't have to worry about a thing. It's basically going to scan the room. Check that out. It's going to see, again, the bumper plates. It's going to weave right around. Really, really cool how awesome this fits. And it'll, again, self-direct. You don't have to watch it. You don't have to manage it. You can go underneath. Check that out. Super, super cool. And then from the smartphone app, you can tell it to go back. I can't do that because I'm filming right now, but you can basically just turn it off, and then it'll restart if you press it again. I'm going to turn that off, just place it back here, and you see the charging port. Super, super awesome and easy. So for the price, these things are incredible. I mean, it replaces the job of vacuuming almost. It can run for hours at a time. It's kid-friendly, safe, and just really awesome. So I recommend getting one of these. If you're thinking about it, just pull the trigger. Definitely recommend it, and can't go wrong with it. There's a reason they sell like tens of thousands of these every month. So hope this video helps, and enjoy if you get it.